Hey guys, we're over here on Martzville Road, and if you can see here, there's Martz, the namesake. But this is an interesting little place because there's an old church here that they made into a Bloomingdale's antiques, crafts, and gifts kind of place. So it's really hard. I mean, I would just have to call this Martzville Cemetery, really. There's no like marker. It's just to denote what it is. But we're on Martzville Road, and there's a shit ton of Marts here, so Martzville Cemetery it is. I don't know when the last time anyone was interned here, so we'll check it out. Outside of Berwick, Pennsylvania. Well, here's the 1940s. Oh, 1975. $18.92. $1977, okay. Oh, 1984. Van Sickle. $1984's winner so far. Children. And there's Sophie's place, the owner of all the local brothels. I guess we'll just call them strip clubs, basically. That's her epic mansion. Built on flesh. This is just a really weird, I don't know how to describe it. I think it's a really weird place. It's just weird to me because the fact that there is no marker for it so much, and it's been disused for a long time, and the church isn't a church anymore, and like it's just a weird feeling, you know. It's just a weird place that again I've never really walked on because of, I don't know. 1981, 84 still wins. Whoa, freshie. 2019. Carol, you are the winner. Carol A. Rex. Huh. I didn't expect to see one that fresh. Popped around the corner. And there's the Berwick Golf Course right here. I used to live, basically, if you take, as the crow flies, if you walk that way, you go down and into the avenues, and I lived over that way. And then there's Berwick. You can see more of the buildings and stuff of that way, but about I'd say about that direction. There you go. Some of these tombstones I think I need a little bit of TLC. Scrape some of the goo off so you can really see them. It's not a bad little cemetery though. Slesser. Well, we got a... No way we're going to see those dates, but we'll have to dig down to see those dates, but... You have a Civil War veteran right here. Awesome. Another one over here, too. Civil War veteran. Well, again, cool little place. You kind of pull into places like this, other than it's a graveyard, you know. But there's a lot of cool things. You know, some Civil War history in here with these people that fought. Oh wow, look. A guy right in there. So you know that the tree came after 1929, and here she be. Is this a cypress?
100 years later.
Is this a cypress tree?
I couldn't tell you.
I don't know, but I like these kind of trees.
Evergreen.
Yeah. This is the tree right here. I don't know if this is the same. Right here. This is the kind of... that tree. That's the kind of tree that's in the cemetery I used to hang out in growing up. So, anyway. Well, this has been Paul and Ryan. Just another cemetery adventure. Nippy.
Yeah, still nippy.
Still nippy. Saturday morning. All right. So we'll see you next time. Cheers.